Yo, partnership alert, partnership alert, partnership alert. Living Corporate has a partnership with LinkedIn Learning, an American massive open online course provider that provides video courses taught by industry experts across a wide array of subjects. Now, the partnership is because Living Corporate has courses on LinkedIn Learning focused on diversity, equity, inclusion for leaders, career professionals, and anyone really looking to upskill themselves and be better allies. So make sure you check out our courses on LinkedIn Learning by clicking the link in the show notes. And let's just say you don't want to do that. When you go to LinkedIn Learning on LinkedIn, search Living Corporate. We'll be right there. All right? Peace.
What's going on, Living Corporate? It's Tristan, and I want to thank you for tapping back in with me as I provide some tips and advice for professionals. Today, let's talk about how to make yourself invaluable in your workplace. The pandemic taught us that stability with a company isn't always certain, but there are ways to make yourself such a valuable part of the team that your leadership will think twice about letting you go. Utilizing these tips, you'll be doing work that you can highlight on your resume and use as a bargaining chip for a raise. First, you have to understand the strengths, weaknesses, and areas of opportunity for the company as a whole and your particular organization or division. To do this, it might be smart to attend those all-company meetings or the quarterly earning calls for shareholders, and to do your own research online to see what information you can find. Working to gain this understanding will help you know the company's direction, figure out where you fit in the organization, and identify improvements you can make within your sphere of influence that align with the direction of the company. Second, take the time to understand your boss's priorities. Your boss typically has the most influence on your trajectory in the company, so it's important that they see you as an invaluable part of the team. Attend and pay close attention during team meetings. Utilize some time during your one-on-ones to discuss their priorities and observe what metrics or key performance indicators they stress or hold in high importance. By doing this, you can find ways to help your boss out or make their lives easier. In doing so, you can solidify your position on the team. Lastly, get really intimate with the issues that are plaguing your coworkers. There are often issues that many of us live with throughout our day-to-day. However, if you can spearhead some process improvements that makes everyone's lives easier, you can win over your team's confidence and help solidify yourself as a valuable team member. Remember, we aren't just creating this value for the company's sake, but we're creating it to use as leverage and a selling point throughout our future job search. This tip was brought to you by Tristan of Layfield Resume Consulting. Check us out on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook at Layfield Resume, or connect with me, Tristan Layfield, on LinkedIn.